Trouble devils.
Mavis, how that I come there? No, the one Vignus.
The old serpent that. I don't like that woman.
Everybody laugh till somebody shout. Sun a shine bright, river cool.
Good morning, Maas Vignus.
Morning, beautiful ladies. Oh, except dry, picky head Mavis.
Gwe dirty foot Vignus. Hope you're dropping at the water.
Dry head Mavis. Make me catch you back in my yard again.
Gwe, you can't stop me.
Your face tough like the devil heel back. Have a good day, old cow.
And you too, Mr. Big Man.
How will you do, Vignus, Maeve?
Let me tell you what happened and tell me if me wrong. Before you judge me, hear the whole story first.
From the river to the hillside, from the shop to town. If maybe seen at the story, somebody going drowning. Trouble ever.
Hilda, you laugh too much, man. Cho, let me tell you how it go. Last week, Thursday, me dey in my yard. Me woulda eat something nice, you know. Like a brown stew chicken. Ah, yes. Me still have the 2 little sweet potato me dig up out of Maas Vignus ground earlier today. Wait there. But how me brown fowl there? A good thing say me did cut out that piece of Vignus fence here. Cut there. My whole head fit right in there. A good little invention that. Me fowl must be over there somewhere. Make me look good. Clat. No me fowl that. A poison Vignus a poison him. Not a backside. Vignus! Me want me fowl. Me want me fowl.
I want make you blow like a cow coming in my yard. Which fowl you talk about?
That the one? I feel me fowl. Me know me fowl when me see it.
Here ya woman. Take your cross itself out of my yard before me set me dog pon you. Me raise that fowl from it a chicken.
Vignus, me want me fowl. A pure tin mackerel me yam from Wade. Me need fi taste chicken today. Today.
Come out of my yard. Crosses. Mad Max.
A straight army barracks and police station me a go for you. And if me no get no justice, me a go a St. Thomas for you. 9 day Vignus. 9 day. Me and your dirty Vignus. 9 day.
Mama Mavis, me nah lie, you know. You stay good from behind for a big woman, you know. How you go? Christiana?
Yes, how much for the fare?
$100.
Galang, where you go? I hope you crash your damn teeth. After me no have no money, I have a better plan. The old Vignus must sleep tonight. The old coot soon gone a bed.
Come, Mindy. Let me catch that mad woman in my yard again. Night, Mindy.
How sweet the sound. Trust in the Lord with all of your heart. Go time! The old Vignus never know what come for him. All right. I hit this Mavis gal. I hear me come for. Shh! Shut your mouth. Easy no, easy. Jesus Christ. Me dead now. Me dead ya now.
Trouble the boat. Trouble the boat. Everywhere you turn. Trouble the boat. Down by the riverside, everybody know. When Mavis start reason, pure confusion flow. Trouble the boat.